This treatment will help to stimulate collagen production in your body, like helping to make you achieve beautiful look. Without makeup, you'll be looking younger and younger all the time. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So like the title says, stimulate collagen production, look younger than your age, look more youthful all the time using this natural treatment. So this is a very natural treatment that will not cause any side effects, purely natural. Take care of your skin, delay signs of aging, look younger and more beautiful. So the ingredients are very simple, very natural. These are the ingredients you can find mostly at home, so you don't have to spend too much. Make sure you get all these ingredients, prepare this remedy and apply it. You will look younger. Just go ahead and try it and you see it for yourself. So the first ingredient you have to get is this avocado. So avocado pear, okay, just see it on the screen. So I have it right in my kitchen, okay, I don't have it right here. Avocado contains loads and loads of antioxidants and vitamins. It also contains high amount of omega-3 fatty acid that when you apply it, it will penetrate, nourish your skin, making your skin plump, like very supple. All those dryness and all that, it will get rid of it. Avocado is also very healthy, clearing away blemishes. If you have a damaged skin, it will help to take care of it. The result will amaze you. Your skin will glow beautifully. So get avocado and also get these ingredients. Aloe vera gel. So here is cosmetic type of aloe vera gel, and I love it because it doesn't irritate my skin, unlike the plant one, the natural aloe vera plant. But some people, it's good for their skin, but I personally, it's not good for my skin. I prefer this cosmetic type. You can get it from supermarket. There are different products, okay, just get any product. This is fruit of the earth. So aloe vera is one ingredient I love. It helps to tighten a loose skin, helping to balance the skin pH, moisturizes, hydrates, and help to soothe irritated skin. It treats sunburn, like you need this so well if you have dry skin. If you do not have dry skin anyway, you can use it as well. Adding it into this treatment will help you a lot, like helping to make sure you are looking younger, more youthful all the time. You also have to get sugar. Yes, so here is granulated sugar. It's a white one. You can make use of brown sugar, you can make use of the white sugar. The sugar is very exfoliating, okay, it's very nourishing. Applying it on your skin will do a good thing to your skin, like your skin will look so new, well polished and glowing. So this will help to take away dead skin cells from your skin, making it to have a new beautiful skin that glows. So you have to get sugar. Sugar is also brightening, like removing dull skin. You will get perfect result from this. So another one to get is baking flour. So baking flour is the one you use in baking cake, donuts, all those flour that you use in baking things. Not baking powder and not baking soda. This is baking flour, please. So baking flour is just like other flour, like rice flour. If you do not have baking flour, get rice flour or rice powder. So this flour helps to take away dead skin cells, helps to polish your skin, making sure your skin is well nourished, tighter. Yes, it helps to firm a saggy skin, taking away those wrinkles gradually until you see them no more. Get your baking flour. So it's time to show you how to mix these ingredients. Get a mixing clean bowl. Then the first thing to do is to mash your avocado. Like get a very ripe one, okay, just cut a little out of it, mash it until it's in a smooth paste, or you can just add a little water, blend it until it's very smooth. Measure 1 tablespoon of avocado, measure 1 tablespoon into the mixing bowl. Then you have to add 1 tablespoon of baking flour. After that, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon each of them. Then you add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. So after that, you have to mix together. Make sure you mix them thoroughly. Then you have to add this important oil. Yes, you need oil because oil helps to moisturize, your skin, hydrate your skin. It helps to soothe irritated skin as well. If you get the right oil, it's very important. So get oils like almond oil, sunflower oil, argan oil. These are the oil that helps to tighten a loose skin, minimizing appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, and the rest. So you can get any of this almond oil or sunflower oil. So just get it and add little. But if you want to make use of olive oil, make sure you have a dry skin. Do not apply olive oil on an oily skin. Okay, I don't use olive oil because it irritates my skin and brings pimples and acne. So get light oils like this and add it into the treatment, half tablespoon. Mix together, mix together until the treatment is in a smooth paste. Do not allow this treatment to be watery and do not allow it to be so solid. Okay, so mix them together, wash your skin thoroughly and apply it on your skin. If you want to treat only your face, all you have to do is to apply it on your neck as well. Okay, you need to apply it on your neck so that everywhere will be uniform. You need to tighten your neck because there are neck wrinkles also. So apply on your neck alongside with your face to get perfect result. So you can also apply on your eye. All these areas need treatment because these are the places that you start developing wrinkles and looking older than your age. So use this treatment, apply it, leave it on for 15-20 minutes. After that, remember to wash your face, okay, before applying it. After that, you wash it off. Use a lukewarm water to wash off this treatment and you're all good. So after washing it off, go ahead and apply a light moisturizer on your skin because you don't want your skin to dry out. But if you have an oily skin, you can decide not to apply a moisturizer. So all the ingredients are very moisturizing, like the pear. The avocado pear is very moisturizing, and there is also oil and aloe vera. You don't need to apply a light moisturizer if you don't want. So keep the remaining in the refrigerator, okay, for next use. Use this treatment every day or 3 times weekly and you never regret it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.